Hey Orion, welcome back to math. Today is the 30th of April. Today we are going to begin learning about multiplication tables. First, we are going to learn about what happens when you multiply a number by 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. As we can see in the picture, 0 times 1 equals 0, 0 times 4 equals 0, 0 times 58 equals 0. So any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. It doesn't matter the size of the number. So if I want to multiply 1,000 by 0, my answer will be 0. If I have two factors such as 535 times 0, the product will be 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. So this is called the zero property of multiplication. So let's sing a song to help us remember. Multiplying numbers by 0 is fun. The product is also 0, that is none. So please try to remember this song when you see a multiplication problem that has 0. Multiplying numbers by 0 is fun. The product is also 0, that's none. Let's solve. 0 times 0 equals 0. 5 times 0 equals, can you take a guess? Did you say 0? Amazing. We have one more. 10 times 0 equals, that's right, 0. So now you guys are going to do your worksheet, and just remember, any number, no matter how big or how small, when multiplied by 0, will always equal 0. It's a great time to pause the video and do your worksheet. Awesome job, Orion. Welcome back to math. Today is Friday, May 1st. So today we are going to review what we learned throughout the week. On Monday, we reviewed arrays. So let's remember what an array is. An array is a picture with rows and columns. So what can you tell me about an array? Well, an array is a picture with rows and columns. So that picture also helps us write our multiplication sentence. Let's look at a picture. In this picture, we have hearts. We have 3 rows and we have 4 columns. So what would our multiplication sentence be? Great job. Did you say 3 times 4? Amazing. 3 times 4. This week, we also learned that the first number in our multiplication sentence is the number of rows, and the second number is our number of columns. On Tuesday, we went over our multiplication vocabulary, and we focused on factor and product. So let's review what a factor is. A factor is the two numbers you multiply. So 2 times 10 are the two numbers we're multiplying, so they are our factor. How about product? A product is the answer you get after you multiply. So in this number sentence, the product is 20. So 2 times 10 equals 20. The product is the answer you get after you multiply. On Wednesday, we reviewed our vocabulary and solved word problems with repeated addition and equal groups. So let's solve a word problem. Lisa has 3 shelves full of juice. Each shelf has 2 juices. How many juices does she have in all? So how many is an addition and can be sometimes a multiplication word, and in all is also an addition and multiplication word. So let's do a repeated addition sentence. So here we see a picture of 3 shelves, and each shelf has 2 juices. So pause the video and write a repeated addition sentence that would match this picture. Awesome. Did you do 2 plus 2 plus 2? Great. So we're adding 2 3 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. Now, let's do an equal group number sentence. We have 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, and in each group we have the same quantity or the same amount of items. We have 2 juice boxes in each group. So now why don't you write a equal group sentence? Amazing. We have 3 groups of 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. Great job. On Thursday, we learned about the zero property of multiplication. And the zero property of multiplication is when you multiply any number by 0, will always be 0. So 0 times any number, your answer will always be 0. So now it's time for some worksheet. I hope you guys had an amazing week and great job on learning about arrays, factor and product, the multiplication property of 0, and continually practicing your repeated addition and equal groups. Have a great weekend, Orion.